There is a tea shop is there, tea shop. I want to start one tea showroom, tea shop. I want to start a tea shop. Do you know? Let me apply. Let me generally what we are going to take. Sir, I want to start one tea shop. Can you please tell what is the first activity I require to take? Second activity I require to do. Can you just spell out? Forget about Elon Musk first principle thinking. Generally, what we are always going to do. We have
Best
to
location.
check. We have to check location. Location. Best location we require to check. And then we require to take one venue. Venue. Okay, because tea shop, one venue we require to take. And then we require to go for interior. Richness must be there. Sitting area. All the things must be very neat, very grand look. Richness must be required. Then,
Before all that, capital, sir. Capital is first thing.
yeah. That's what. Money required. With the money, all the things, just assume. Now, all the things, then automatically, do you know what will happen is, then what he's going to do? Wonderful, grand look must be required. Grand look, wonderful, grand look must be required. Just like Nilofer Cave. Next, so location, the venue I took for 1 year lease, 6 months advance I paid, or 1 year advance I paid. Next, grand look sake. So 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Okay, I paid for interior because richness must be required. Then by seeing that, I feel very, very happy. Almost to complete this activity, I took 3 months of time. 3 months time. So 3 months, there is no business at all, right? That's all. 3 months, because when you is happening like my investment already started. 3 months got completed. Now started arranging one next level, arranging one cook or otherwise the person who is going to prepare the tea, and then all the tea related stuff, milk, stove, cylinder, glasses, like I took at the last, and then I started production. I came into the live. Then what happened is, I thought that day one only 1 lakh I'm going to get, but in reality, day one I got 100 rupees only. Day two I thought that 2 lakhs I'm going to get, but day two I got 75 rupees only. 1 month got completed. Full of loss. Even not even I'm not in a position to pay interest for my capital. 3rd month completed. 4th month completed. 5th month, 6 months completed. All my buffers gone. From anywhere possibility there, I borrowed the money and I kept in this business. 6 months got completed. Not in a position to run. Completely out of money. Not in a position to pay rents, even the salaries also. On fine day, the board closed. I closed the business. Can you tell this type of scenarios, how many things happen in front of you? You are the eyewitness for such a type of things. Yes, friends. Multiple, right? Even you are going to the office, while going to the office on the road, hooray, wonderful, what a decoration they are doing for this building. A new hotel is going to come, or a new restaurant is going to come, a new tea sweet shop is going to come, like, wow, wonderful, the interior adbhutam. But after 3 months, again toilet board is there for that. And after 6 months, again toilet board is there for that. How many times you saw this type of thing, man? Multiple.
25 times, sir.
If I can ask Elon Musk, I want to do the tea business. Can you please guide me? Like simple, Elon Musk way of doing the things. You should be aware. Simple. What he's always going to do is, oh, Durga, you want to start a tea business. To do tea business, which things are required? You have to sell the tea. To sell the tea, to prepare the tea, which things are required? Milk is required. Tea powder is required. Stove is required. And vessels or bowls are required. Okay, like, yeah. Then only these are things, right? So first what you require to do, yes. So, sir, I want to choose the best location. How you can identify best location? The first start. Sir, I want venue. The venue is compulsory. No. It's by science. So are you asking by science a bigger venue is required? No. Just my expectation. Can I replace this one with any other low cost item? Yes. 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. A cart, tea cart is ready. First start with that. Take 1,500, 2,000 rupees a tea cart. And then take a gas stove. Take, okay, some glasses. Next, milk. These are things. First prepare chai and first sell your first tea first. To do this one, how much time is required? Just one day is more enough, right? You respond, man.
Yes, sir.
1 day is more enough. 1 day is more enough. To sell your first tea, within 1 day, first tea I'm going to sell. How much capital is required? Very less capital, hardly 5,000 rupees or 3,000, 4,000 rupees, everything is ready. Start the business. Because all the remaining are not mandatory. Bigger venue must be required. Wonderful infrastructure must be required. All these things are nonsense. Not required first. You want to sell the tea. To sell the tea, which is compulsory required, concentrate only on that. Let's start the business. Once 1 month completed, you are getting complete loopholes and so on. Okay. Then do you know? Then you will get much clarity. Okay, if venue is available, then it will be the good like. Then you can think about that. Day one only. What is the need of taking the big building, big infrastructure, and so on? Unnecessary money waste. Your concentration should be on the tea selling, not on the remaining things. Chinna bandi, cart, tea cart, you can take and start selling the tea. While experience going on, you can think about the remaining things. You are not required to pay crores of money. You have to pay with just 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 odd. Your tea business is going to be started. This type of thinking is called first level, first principles of thinking of Elon Musk. Elon Musk is always going to think in this style. That's why he's always going to offer at a low price.